Hi folks, I'm Lonnie Johnson. Welcome back to my channel. I have another video for you here. I have this Stihl FS40C, and I purchased this head right here last year with blades. Well, I'm going to swap it out with another head, and I'm going to show you what that head is. It's right here. This one here takes no tools to install. It takes blades and it takes string. I'm going to show you how to install it. Go ahead and get a 16mm wrench, put it on there. Just take this off. Watch, there's a washer on the back of there as well. At least on this one there is. Now go ahead and take this one out of the pack. 2 pieces. Now with this setup here, all as you do, you put the black piece on first. As you can see, it's got a place for that nut right there to go on. Just put it up in there like that. Screw it in and it's done. Now all I gotta do is put the blades on it and put the string in it. Now here's what it comes with. There's 2 pieces of string, 3 blades, and it's got this bar right here. So what you want to do is take and loosen this up just far enough to get your blades in here. Go. Now all you got to do is go ahead and tighten it down. Now that's not coming off. For the string, you got this little spot right here. Take your string, you push it in there, and it comes out this side right here. Bring it all the way out like so. Now just go ahead and push it down in that hole right there, and that's all you got to do. Do that to both sides. I purchased a roll of 0.105 string, which should work in here pretty good, and it's thick and it will last a lot longer. Let's see if it'll go in there. Pushes through. Now put it right down in this hole here. It should go right down in there. Like that. There. Do the other side the same way. I like pushing it in here. Just taking it, feeding it through here. Now if it's a little thicker, you may have to find the right spot for it to go in. Like I said, this is 0.105. There it is, but it will go in there. Find that sweet spot, pull it, and it's not coming out. Now I'll have to trim these off. Now you're probably wondering what the bar is for. Well, if you look at your weed eater, there's a slot right here, and that bar will go right down in here, and it will actually hold this in place so you can hand tighten it or break it loose so you can replace the blades. But hold on to your bar, you might need it. I hope this helps. Like, comment, subscribe, share with friends. Thanks for watching.